Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a plugin in Adobe After Effects. Suppose I need to install this plugin in After Effects. First of all, if you are using the latest version of After Effects, you will need your plugin in the AEX format like mine. But if you are using an older version of After Effects, then you need your plugin in the FFX format. After you have your plugin, right-click on it and cut or copy the plugin file. Click on the Start button and search for After Effects. Right-click on the app and click on Open File Location. Right-click on the After Effects file again and select Open File Location once more. Now scroll up to the folders. Find the folder named Plugins. Open the folder, then open the Effects folder. Here, paste your plugin file by pressing Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Now close this window and launch the After Effects app. If the app was opened previously, then close it and reopen it. After that, go to the Effects and Presets section and search for your plugin. You should find your plugin in the search results. Following these steps, you can install a plugin in After Effects easily. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.